In an age where your regular paycheck barely stretches to cover the weekly grocery haul, side hustles sneak in as the mischievous champions of personal finance, whispering tales of extra income while your main job plods along. The average household wrestles with $105,056 in debt, yet over 36% of people dive into supplementary gigs, pumping $70 billion into the economy. With a playful jab at our relentless scramble, these ventures often transform hobbies into revenue streams, blending flexibility with possibility. As 2025 unfolds, inflation at 2.7% and gig participation soaring 20% create a vibrant stage for creativity. This article explores the hottest side hustles, from digital domains to hands-on tasks, weaving timeless strategies with cutting-edge trends. Whether you're a student dodging loans or a professional craving a financial buffer, these ideas can turn spare hours into meaningful gains, backed by solid numbers and vivid examples to fuel your ambition. Digital and online side hustles. The virtual realm beckons with opportunities that let you earn from your living room, turning screens into money-making machines. Freelance writing leads the charge, crafting blog posts or website content for an average of $107.50 daily. Platforms like Upwork connect wordsmiths with clients hungry for compelling prose, especially in niches like technology or lifestyle. With a cheeky nod to our info-saturated world, writers distill chaos into clarity, earning $15 to $50 per hour based on skill level. Graphic design follows closely, fetching $130 daily for eye-catching visuals, particularly for social media branding. Tools like Canva lower the entry barrier, enabling beginners to compete with seasoned pros. Affiliate marketing shines as a passive powerhouse, where promoting products via links generates commissions. Imagine earning from endorsements on a blog or social media feed. Top performers pocket thousands monthly through networks like Amazon Associates. Dropshipping adds a twist, allowing sales without inventory. Platforms handle shipping while you curate online stores. This model can scale to six figures for clever marketers, with startup cost under $100 using Shopify. Digital products sparkle too, from ebooks to printables, fueling a $74 billion market. Selling courses on Udemy or templates on Etsy creates recurring revenue. One creator nets $10,000 monthly teaching writing skills. Imaging a bar chart comparing earnings. Freelance writing bars rise to $50,000 annually for dedicated hustlers, while dropshipping peaks at $100,000 with strategic promotion. Online tutoring leverages expertise, paying $21.39 per hour on sites like tutor.com, with demand growing 4.8% yearly. Voiceover work offers creative flair, ranging from $35 for short gigs to $1,000 for audiobooks. These pursuits flex around schedules, often requiring just a laptop and internet. Timeless advice: consistency builds momentum. Post regularly to grow your audience. Call to action: sign up on a platform today and list your first service, watching inquiries flow in. Offline and local service-based hustles stepping beyond the digital curtain, hands-on gigs tap into community needs, delivering quick payouts with a touch of human connection. Pet sitting and dog walking top the list, earning $24.84 per hour as pet owners seek trusted care. Apps like Rover match walkers with furry clients, with top earners clearing $4,000 monthly in urban hubs. House sitting extends this, offering free lodging while safeguarding homes, perfect for travelers pocketing $50 nightly. Delivery services buzz with demand. Platforms like DoorDash or Instacart pay $15 to $25 per hour, plus tips, in a thriving gig economy. Ridesharing through Uber or Lyft brings mobility, with drivers averaging $20 per hour during peak times. In a lighthearted twist, you're essentially chauffeuring for profit, turning commutes into cash. Handyman tasks, from furniture assembly to power washing, command $50 per hour on TaskRabbit. Bin cleaning emerges as an offbeat winner, where pros sanitize trash cans for $50 to $100 per job, riding the wave of hygiene awareness. Officiating sports games offers seasonal excitement, paying $25 to $50 per match, with opportunities projected to grow 32% by 2031. Envision a pie chart slicing local earnings. Delivery claims 40% at $30,000 yearly for part-timers, while pet services snag 25%. Music lessons or cosplay prop crafting infuse creativity, fetching $50 per session. Kettle corn stalls at festivals turn $300 in supplies into $6,000 daily. Election work blends civic duty with $150 per shift. These ventures require minimal startup, often just a vehicle or basic tools, yet scale with reputation. Evergreen tip: earn trust through stellar reviews to secure repeat clients. If these real-world ideas spark your hustle spirit, subscribe to our channel for weekly insights into profitable ventures. It's free and brimming with actionable tips. Call to action: join a local gig app today and land your first job, savoring the thrill of immediate earnings. Emerging tech-driven side hustles. As technology races forward, innovative gigs blend advanced tools with entrepreneurial drive, promising robust returns in a digital-first world. AI prompt engineering stands out, where crafting inputs for chatbots like those powering customer service earns $100 per hour. This niche thrives as businesses adopt AI, with the e-learning market projected to hit $400 billion by 2026. No-code app building follows, using platforms like Bubble to create apps without coding, charging $125 daily. Startups crave rapid prototypes, enabling skilled builders to earn $10,000 monthly. Cybersecurity consulting tackles rising threats, paying $150 per session for vulnerability scans. With breaches costing millions, pros using AI-driven detection secure steady clients. Virtual fitness coaching leverages wearables, earning $50 per class via Zoom. The online fitness sector grows 14.6% annually. Digital detox coaching addresses screen overload, guiding clients to balanced habits for $100 per hour, fueled by wellness trends. Imagine a line graph tracking growth. AI gigs surge 50% yearly, reaching $150,000 potential for experts. Reselling via apps like ShareTown Flips, returned goods for $500 to $2,000 monthly profit. Voice AI impressions on Fiverr add creativity, commanding $110 daily. These require upskilling. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning boost retention by 75%. Timeless strategy: stay ahead by mastering emerging tools while grounding in core skills. Call to action: try a free AI tool today and prototype your first tech gig, unlocking future-proof income. Strategies for success and sustainability. Winning in any hustle demands a roadmap, merging discipline with ingenuity to transform efforts into lasting streams. Begin with market research. Tools like Google Trends highlight trending niches like eco-friendly services, guiding choices as 45% of Americans pursue side gigs. Set specific targets. Aim for $1,000 monthly initially, tracking progress with apps that streamline finances. Diversify. Combine online tutoring at $21.39 per hour with offline pet walking for balanced revenue. Harness technology, AI tools/administrative tasks by 4 hours daily, freeing time for client outreach. A dashboard chart might show earnings climbing from $500 to $5,000 monthly with consistent marketing. Network strategically. 85% of opportunities arise from connections via LinkedIn or local meetups. Handle taxes carefully, as gig income is taxable. Apps like Found automate deductions seamlessly. Perennial wisdom: balance work and life to sustain energy, ensuring longevity. With a playful wink, treat your hustle like a quirky sidekick. Nurture it steadily for loyal rewards. Scale wisely. Reinvest profits into ads or training to amplify reach. Call to action: evaluate your skills this week. Launch one hustle and share your progress in the comments to motivate others. In closing, 2025 side hustles offer a tapestry of opportunities, from digital creations to local services and tech-driven innovations. With global wealth up 4.6%, these paths not only bolster finances, but cultivate independence. Embrace one, adapt as trends shift, and watch your economic horizon broaden.